Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, we are going to be taking a close-up look at what it looks like when the top layer of our skin is removed, exposing the tattoos underneath. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I am going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel or find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Let's switch on over to the injury that I sustained. What we are looking at is the top of my finger right here, and you can see that I somehow managed to remove this layer of skin right here, exposing the tattoo underneath. To confirm, this is a tattoo that I wear on my finger. This is my hand right here. This is an injury that I myself sustained, and I felt that this would be a great opportunity to talk about some points and to touch base on some aspects that I want to talk about here. I want to ask, what are some apparent things that you notice about this injury right here? I'm going to go ahead and have a moment of silence here. Drop it in the comment section down below, pause the video, and let me know some differences that you see from the injured site versus the healed area. For me personally, the first thing that really stands out is not only the injury, but the difference in tone. You can see the injured side looks a lot more darker as opposed to the area that's been healed already, that's not injured. You can see that it looks more like a green type of hue, where the injured site looks more black. If we look at this as some sort of extreme exfoliation, then it would make sense as to why the injured area looks a lot more fresh than the area that's already healed around it, because there is less layers of skin on top. No, just to confirm, I'm not telling you to go and exfoliate to the point where you get this sort of effect going on your end. That's not what I'm implying and or trying to say. The point that I'm trying to demonstrate here is by removing that layer of the skin, the ink below appears to be a lot more true to the original tone that it was when it originally went into the finger. When I saw this, the question that came to mind was, if we are constantly exfoliating, let's say every other day or very often at that, will our tattoos stay true to the original colors that they went in? Another thing that I'm noticing is that the ink around the injury site, the healed areas, they have a more greenish hue to them versus the injured site, where it has a more black hue to it. Another theory that I'm drawing from this demonstration is even our own skin healing over our tattoos has an impact on the final read of our tattoos. Now, I'm sure that this happens with almost every tattoo we get, as our skin does grow over the tattoos that we get. However, in terms of like different tones, I'm pretty sure throughout the body, it's going to vary from different body part to body part. In theory, we may naturally get more darker tones healing over time in, let's say, the shin and forearm areas, because these areas, the skin tends to be more tighter and thin, as opposed to, for example, the finger area, where we may get more layers of skin building up throughout the healing process, which is going to make it look more green over time. I feel like it's important to note that I'm speaking from a theoretical standpoint. Regardless, no matter what tattoo we get, doesn't matter what part of the body it's on, whether it's the bottom of the foot or behind the ear, it's going to go through healing stages and skin is going to grow over it. And when our skin grows over it, these are the results that we get. And that's why we have that sort of like greenish tint to our tattoos, is because of the healing process. It's just a part of the tattoo journey. It's just a part of what comes along with getting a tattoo. Now, that's not to suggest or imply that we can't hold the tattoo's initial tone and integrity of when it initially went in. What I am suggesting, though, is that there will be a level of healing and skin layers over our tattoos over time regardless. We'll get more into the exfoliation side of tattooing in another video, so be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button for me, and ring that bell. One thing that I find fascinating is that how a small layer of skin over such a dark tone can change it so much. I would have never thought that a layer of skin would have changed a color of a black sort of hue to a green-like hue. To me, that's just fascinating. I can't really say scientifically why this happens. However, if you have an answer to that, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below so others can read it. That'll be it for this one. This is what it looks like when a top layer of skin is removed, exposing tattoos underneath. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.